Sure. Does that mean that wearing perfume is part of a sunnah as well?
The Prophet ﷺ said, from this dunya, Allah made three things beautiful to my heart: women, perfume, and my satisfaction was in salah.
Wow.
So as a perfect man, and in halal, the Prophet loves women. Now, wearing perfume is a sunnah for men.
Oh.
Wearing perfume for women is halal only when they are at their homes, or when they are with women, or when they are with mahram, brother, uncle, father. Other than this, if a woman comes wearing perfume, Chanel 5, whatever, Dior, and she comes to a non-mahram, and he finds the fragrance, the Prophet says, alayhi salatu wasalam, any woman who wears perfume and goes out of her home and men find her fragrance, she is a zaniyah. She's a fornicator. She committed adultery.
Already?
Whoa. Why? Why would you love? We have a saying in Arabic, the ear loves before the eyes. Sometimes I could be sitting here and a sister calls, Salaam alaikum. If I look at her, she's a gorilla. But her voice is like a beautiful canary. The ear is bad. This is mentioned in the Quran. Allah says, chapter number 33, Surah Al-Ahzab. وَلَا تَخْضَعْنَ بِالْقَوْلِ فَيَطْمَعَ الَّذِي فِي قَلْبِهِ مَرَضٌ. Do not soften your speech so that the man with illness in his heart would be tempted. When you go to a shopkeeper, how much is this iPhone? He says, $1,000. You say, thank you. And you leave. But when you go, how much is this iPhone? No, $1,000 is too much. Come on. What you will sell it for me, please? What are you doing? This is haram.